What's up, TV Crew? It's your girl Tia, and today my man come to see me today. He's only gonna be here for like 2 days, and then he's going to Atlanta. But I decided to do a little picnic for him today. As y'all can see, I'll show y'all clips from yesterday. I got some plates. I got some seashells for decoration. They didn't have gummy bears, so I got him trolleys, and I like Raisinets and watermelon sour patch. Some Josh, our fave. A little bucket to put the candy in. Then I got a charcuterie board with a plate and tongs. This in college in my room, and I still have them, so I'm gonna try to remake it like I did sophomore year of college. But he should be here anytime soon. It's like 5:50 right now. He texted me at 4 saying he left, which it takes 2 hours. So he should be here around like 6:15. But I'm gonna do the charcuterie board. I have cheese, fruits, vegetables, all that kind of stuff. So y'all will watch me do that, and then I will try to blindfold him before he comes in, and then we'll see how it goes. So I just got the stuff out of the refrigerator. Got salami, pepperoni. They have the crackers in there, which I'll put on the board. I ended up getting fresh mixed berries, pineapples, grapes, watermelon, and then a vegetable tray. So I got, so his sandwich smells. It's like, well, I think it's because of the onions, but onions literally make everything taste good. They just stink. And I got a turkey. So I'm gonna try to make this with meat. I'm about to do my charcuterie board. I've never done one, but I've seen some on the internet. I'm just gonna do mine really quick. I want it to be colorful and cute. I'm gonna have her. So I got the little cheese and crackers. just called. He was at the gate. I just showed y'all how my house looks. He just called the gate, so he's here. I hope he didn't bring any food. Knowing him, he'll bring some Chipotle. He's texting me. I'm gonna blindfold him once he knocks so that he can't see it right away. And then I'll just catch the reaction. I'm excited. I get to see my baby. I get to see. Baby, can I? Why are you looking like that? Can I blindfold you?
Baby, let me bring this stuff.
No, I'll get it. Thank you. Put this on me.
Well, I got more stuff to bring in.
Okay, well, put your hand close. Can I close it? You can't come in.
I'm not. I'm about to set it back.
Okay. He's just being the most. Brought all this food from Green Tree, whatever this is. Just doing the most. Every time he brings he be bringing so much stuff here. You can turn right here. Stay there. There's someone behind you.
There's what?
You can just leave this. Okay. Keep coming. Why are you laughing? Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. I feel like you can see.
I really can't.
Okay, come on, honey. What do you think we're gonna eat?
Are we gonna have steak?
No, you can smell it. Ready? Take your
I
blind.
really can't smell it. Is it Chipotle? It's Subway, isn't it? That's why you were asking what my Subway is. Oh, look at this. This is adorable.
I tried to bring him. I made it. Isn't that so cute?
That looks nice. Oh, thank you.
We're
baby.
having an indoor picnic.
Thank you, honey.
I was like, I told TV Crew I had to bring back the sophomore year to you whenever I did the picnic. I'll insert that.
You upgraded yourself this time.
Yeah, we didn't
Last
have
time
much
we
to
had-
work with.
We had this much room last time.
Yeah, we didn't have much to work with.
Well, we definitely made it work. Oh, look at us. We're beautiful. Look at us. Well, I'm assuming you already got some movie you picked out that you want to watch.
No,
right?
I don't actually.
Really?
Look at the candy.
I see.
You want to open your card?
Baby, you got me a card and everything? Yeah, sure. You want me to open my card, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or you're not going to hand it to me?
I can hand it to you. Bad idea to wear a dress.
Just in case I haven't told you often enough, or strongly enough, deeply or sweetly or softly enough, I love you just because it's Wednesday. Oh, baby, thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate the just because love.
Let's eat.
My baby's hungry, isn't she?
Yes, I am.
He said, I don't have time for all this mushy stuff. I want to eat.
Ooh, yeah. I was like, I bought this board. I was like, it's so cute. I want to try to make one.
You did really good.
Thanks. Here's your two. These are your two because they're weak. And that's mine at the end. Your sandwich is kicking. I can smell the onions from a mile away.
That's what thinks. It's usually the jalapenos.
I think that's the onions.
Jalapeno.
Peppa. All right, TV Crew, we're gonna enjoy our food.
This was just wonderful. And I was on the road like, I am starving. Look how she takes care of me, y'all.
Let me scoot y'all closer. All right, TV crew. So we're about to eat, watch a movie, and drink.
And just relax.
Yes.
I love you, baby.
I love you too. I will insert our sophomore year picture right now.
And you'll see the upgrade.
Yes. I had Chipotle. That's all I had.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got you like a little...
You had it set up nice.
But I got you a little gift. I'll insert it. But yeah, it's a huge upgrade. I'm doing charcuterie boards now, y'all.
That's what's called a charcuterie? It's not called a cheese board?
I think it's called... I hope I've been saying charcuterie right, but I think that's what it's called.
I just call them a board.
I know, y'all, we haven't been vlogging or posting in a minute, so I just wanted to get y'all a video out. So make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe to Table View.
Peace.